oh my God, I have to listen to this again, okay, because I don't edit and I had to cut something off at the end. This is going to be the greatest video you have ever watched in your life. If you want to change your life and make money in crypto with no investment, I am going to show you the truth. I want you to put on your headphones and I want you to listen to this video with an open mind. I am going to teach you how you could possibly get rich and change your life in crypto, okay, with no investment. We all talk about the hustle and the grind and a rise champion, right? Well, I'm going to show you what can lie ahead of you. Right now, as you watch YouTube, you're a civilian. I'm going to show you because, well, I make my money trading and I share very few passive platforms. But I'm going to show you the potential. Don't forget, I've worked hard for 3 years and they've tried to take me off YouTube. And that's why there's one link below that links to all my social media. I have a Twitter, I have a lot of channels, right? So let me just teach you a little bit. Have an open mind. With no investment on your part, I can help you change your life. Now look, I have all these YouTube channels, right? Where people, hey, I know you like Oracle versus Oracle, but I'm not going to sit here and watch this whole thing. I'm going to jump in at the right part. Okay, but pay attention. This is going to change your life, especially if you want to make money from home with no investment. Nothing. Struggle to even think of what to talk about. Okay? I got a lot of content. I'm just a weirdo. I like to make content. Okay? Now, how hard is this? I don't use any fancy software. I don't edit. I make mistakes sometimes, okay? And I'm just me. And my first video I ever made, I had 11 subscribers. And it was about a hype. And I just had a feeling that I never thought about making a YouTube video before, right? And one day something just called me to sit down and make that video. And I always tell people, the way to get rich, right, even my kid trades, is to start a YouTube channel. Now look, I'm going to show you. I use this software, right, called Movari. You open up a YouTube account, okay, and I use this software called Movari. And I forgot what I paid for it, like $25. You don't need the whole fancy one. You could Google it. They'll try to sell you all. Just try to get this one, screen capture. That's all you need. They have free ones, but it's like, it's cheap. You're starting your own business, okay? It's like 25 bucks, right? And then on the bottom, okay, it looks like this. Now, I can hide this, right? Up here you can't see, or maybe you can at the top. I have a pause button. I could pee, I could cough, whatever, okay? Now, let me show you the benefits of being a YouTuber that nobody will ever show you, and why you might want to start a YouTube channel. If I was broke and had to start again, okay, I would start with passive income. That's what people want. More than trading, they just want easy money. That's the truth. Especially now, people working from home, and we have a couple of good platforms that we're in. So let's say you start making your video, and you don't have to be perfect. People will like you for your personality. People say I'm like Joe Rogan meets Howard Stern. I don't try to be funny. I just, tell it like it is. And I'm straightforward. And I don't go into a different platform every day. And I try to be honest with people about what I feel. Okay? So, for example, I'm going to show you when I log into Cubatech, the difference between being a civilian and a YouTuber. And I hope this encourages so many of you. Alright guys, this is Block Bank. Pays 5% a day, and I just took down my link because I like people to get in with me first on the high risk stuff. I'm going to show you the difference between being a YouTuber and a civilian. Forget the number on the calculator. I need it to cover something. I want you to focus here. Now, I didn't put a lot of money into this one really, okay, because a lot of people signed up under me with this. And you can do the same. Okay, there are guys out there starting out. Okay, you know, my email address is all over my link tree. It's the Timas_Oracle@ProtonMail. Don't get scammed. I'm not in Telegram or anything. All right, and email me your channel. Tell Oracle I made a channel. Use my name. Say nice things about me. If I like your video, I'll help you become a wolf. Okay, I built Nobody Crypto from nothing. Okay, I've started Big K Crypto. He'll tell you I changed his life. Watch his videos. So as a civilian, you at home, if you put $669 into this and it pays 5% a day, you'd be almost at break even, right? Not bad. Let me show you what happens when you're a YouTuber. I want to show you. Now, civilian, YouTuber. Can you imagine? Now it takes time. You gotta build an audience. Okay? The easiest thing are these push button money things. Don't go into scammy platforms. Okay? You check with me, you check with Nobody Crypto, and you become a wolf. And we all go into the same things together. We go in an order. We use each other's links. We help each other. Okay? If I like you and you're good, I'll interview you on my channel. Nobody help me. All right? Nobody help me. How do you think I made so much money in Cash FX? Yeah, I put 100,000 in and cycled it a few times. But there are thousands of people under me. Do you see in front of your eyes? This is one example. I love Cubatech, right? So as a civilian, I put in $10,000, right? And so let's go down and look at that package as a civilian. So, alright. So it's paying me up to 250%. I like this one. You got to use a VPN, right? So it's paid me like since October 18th, okay, $38.88. You don't get your money back at the end. The first 100% is your money, and it gives you a countdown right here. Okay? Don't upgrade unless, because you don't want to put money into this. Time is the enemy. All right? So, you know, don't wait to run a cycle and then upgrade. If you get a couple $100, buy yourself a cheaper bot. Okay? Now, I put $10,000 in here. The first money I got, I upgraded to $25,000. Okay? And I bought another $10,000 package. And then because I'm a YouTuber and I shared my link, right? And all I did, keep in mind, all I did, look, I had all these free bots. I have 67 bots, okay? Or 69 bots. They didn't pay me to 250% each. I got them all for free. Even I love this platform. All right. Now let me show you what this number was over here on my calculator. That's what I withdrew this week. Okay, just this week. So already I made 4 times my money, and I have about $45,000 in bots, which I bought with the profits. This is actually kind of so cool. You know why? You know what makes this so cool? I asked people in my Discord, does anyone want me to show you how to start a business with nothing, no investment, okay? And do something like change your life, work at home, make money, sky's the limit. And this is easy. The money doesn't come from YouTube ads. It comes from when people like you and they make a decision to get involved and they click a link, the same way you click my link. And of course I'm grateful for that, okay? And I can get you started as a YouTuber. So many I helped. I talk about Nobody Crypto, okay? You know, who wants to see this video? Look, everyone, absolutely everyone. So I'm really, really doing this to try to help people. And again, I use this Movari. You don't have to spend a lot of money for it. There might even be a free trial. There are free ones that let you talk for 15 minutes. And I got this little thing over here I could pause because right now I have to pee and see what Eddie wants. I think he made me a thumbnail. So Eddie made me a thumbnail, right? And you see all that expensive stuff, you don't need anything. So your name is important too. Okay, like one of the good guys that I really like is Crypto Dice, right? He's a small YouTuber, says nice things about me, you know, and he's just an honest guy, all right? He's just a regular, honest guy. People like Jamie, Best Passive Income, will suck you dry for referrals, okay? And when they know a program's dying, the same thing with Sean Logan, the same thing with King. I stay away from those kind of things. So you see these YouTubers, right? With these stupid, oh look, I have some chicken in my cart. Look, with these stupid big YouTube mics, you know, they talk about the Blue Yeti and this and that. I had all of them, okay? I love these little $20 microphones. Just do a search, all right? Hold on a minute, I gotta pause you. See how easy that is? So I'm back. I unpaused you with the pause button. It's Oracle versus Oracle. It's gonna end soon, okay? But I use a crappy little microphone like that. It works great. Buy a couple of them in case one stops working. Use the other one. So let's get back to Oracle teaching you how to have a YouTube channel. And Oracle still has chicken in his basket. A lapel microphone, okay? Something like that. And you find one of these. These lavalier ones are pretty good. I buy about 2 or 3 of them, just in case. But I put it on the desk. Sometimes I wear it on my neck, but you hear me smoke, you hear me breathe. I'm gonna put it on my desk now.
Like now you hear me drinking water.
So, well, you'll get better sound if I have it closer. So, I don't have a big stupid microphone or anything. I use that. Gotta keep watching what you look at, okay? Like on the side and everything, you know.
Yeah.
So listen, I use a yoga computer like this. I don't need a big flipping gaming computer. I like to flip it over like this. I flip the keyboard back and I get a wireless keyboard, and that's my rig. That's my setup, okay? And you know, it's easy. So let's talk about your name. The name is the most important thing I have to tell you. You have no idea. It should have crypto in it. You know what I mean? People had to help with this. Like, when I look at, let's see who else we got here. Nobody Crypto. He wanted in the early days to name himself Nobody. I said, add crypto. Nobody Crypto. Well, so you hit this, and he comes up first in the search and all his videos. Okay, and people subscribe to you, and you start small. Okay, and you update your links. When something's bad, you tell people and you remove it. You be a good guy like Nobody. He's built a huge community. He never thought that this would change his life. At first he was shy. He will tell you, his first video, he was nervous. He didn't want to make it. Me, I'm a different person. It was my calling, okay? And I built an army of YouTubers that are loyal to me, okay? And if we all work together, we can all pick out the best platforms, and we use each other's links, and we pick out what's the best. Nobody's a specialist in hypes. I'm a specialist in passive income and trading. So your name matters, okay? So if your name is like John Smith, nobody's ever gonna find you, okay? Nobody's ever gonna find you, right? Like if you look at my stuff, right? Look. Stocks, coffee, and crypto. That's really easy to come up in a search, okay? Or the same thing with any of my channels, okay? Same thing. They're all really easily searchable. So your name is important. Local crypto trader, where I give away all the free lessons, okay? So your name is important. And I'm gonna have to do a part 2 where I actually show you how to save the video and save it to your desktop or a file like this. I usually don't keep all of them, but then I'll teach you how to upload this to YouTube. I'll teach you how to add appropriate tags and I'll teach you about titles, okay? So you can email me. Below this video, there's one link, okay? Don't get scammed, please, by fake oracles. They impersonate me, they ask you for money, they offer you deals. You can get on my mailing list. I'm working on the Oracle Crypto Manifesto, one for trading and one for how you can live off crypto. I live off crypto, okay? I mean, I look at Cuban Tech alone, all right? I've withdrawn. I started this with $10,000. I have $45,000 worth of bots. I withdrew, I mean, what was that? $37,000 in the last few days. Tomorrow I'll get 10,000. And if we look in the beginning, okay, with a lot, and the reason why is I never expected so many people click my link. I didn't know so many people like me like that and trust me and know that I pick good, like Cash FX. But this was my very first withdrawal. And then people start signing up a lot, 10,000, 15,000, 11,000, 9,700. Now you're not gonna get there overnight, okay? But if you're good, I'll do my best to help you. Imagine getting ROI on a platform in a day. Imagine treating these platforms like your own business. Imagine having your own YouTube channel. I mean, there's even crypto. I got girls texting me all over the place. Let's see if we can find out easy. Yeah, right here. Look, she comes up first. She's got a good name, Crypto Mama Mia, in all her videos. You start small, you know? How do you think like Crypto Muscle, another good guy that I like, but he does a lot of crazy things. He says he's world renowned. I don't know. He says he's a legend amongst himself. I think he really don't even work out. I think that's his picture right there. I think he's really a child, but Crypto Muscle comes right up, okay? There he is. Imagine if that was his head and he had a big, huge, muscular body, but all his videos come up, you know? And look at him growing. I remember when he was nothing, okay? And I interviewed him, and he speaks the truth. Now, he goes into no man's land, okay? Really high-risk stuff that I don't go into, all right? But the amount of money that you can make not being a civilian is unbelievable. If you want a part 2 to this, how I actually save the video and upload it, okay, and how I add the tags and all of that stuff and how easy this is, you must tell me in the comments. It's the only way I can know, okay? And I have a link tree below, which, well, I love Cash FX too. We did great with that. We did great with everything. You know, my link tree has everything. I'm doing $35,000 competition. Bit 7, there's your Cuban Tech, your Cash FX, your Botero. Okay, it's a little risky, it ain't really that long term. And all my channels and social media. Even if you're into trading, man, okay? You can see my trades on Twitter. Getting a huge Twitter following. Alright, but subscribe to my uncensored channels. You know, on this channel, I'm doing like a book reading. I'm just growing, you know, I'm gonna crush Joe Rogan. Doing a book reading of American Desperado. They're all in order, okay? You watch part 1 first. Alright, they're 15-minute podcasts just to listen to it. It's better than Scarface or Casino or anything you've ever seen. All you gotta do is subscribe to Coco Scope. Links below. If you want part 2, tell me. I'll make it for you. I always told you that when I made it to the top, I would offer you a hand up. A hand up. Imagine making $786,000 because you took a chance at something like Cash FX a year ago. Imagine how that would change your life, you and your family. And all you gotta do is sit here, and it gets comfortable after a while. It's therapeutic. It's not stressful. People like your imperfections, even if you have an accent. And if you're a woman, oh my God, the world's your oyster. And the easiest way to go is passive platforms. People want easy, fast money. That's all they care about. That's it. So if you want a part 2, tell me in the comments. I'm out of here.